Welcome to Module 5 and Episode 5 of our Mind-Body Integration program. In this module, we will be discussing the physical and emotional manifestations of Zone 5, the heart chakra. This is associated with self-critical versus self-love. Zone 5 is situated in the thorax region, and focusing on the heart is where the intricate balance between self-criticism and self-love plays out, affecting both our emotional and physical well-being. Self-criticism is a key element here. When an individual is in a state of self-criticism, their heart may become hardened. This hardening of the heart is accompanied by a diminished awareness of emotions. Such individuals may struggle to trust others, feel loved, or extend love and compassion to those around them. So what are some of the roots of self-criticism? Self-criticism often takes root when an individual hasn't properly grieved the disappointments and losses they've experienced in life and in relationships. These feelings of loss can be conscious or subconscious, stemming from emotional or experiential sources. As this emotional stress accumulates, the subconscious attempts to suppress it. In the process, it blocks the capacity for compassion and acceptance, especially toward oneself. To gain self-acceptance, self-criticism emerges, focusing on perceived bad or unacceptable aspects of the self with the aim of fixing or eliminating them. Let's discuss the important role of healthy grieving. Healthy grieving can naturally occur as an individual reconnects with his or her emotions, leading to increased compassion. In cases where an individual has assigned blame for past negative experiences to others, forgiveness then becomes a crucial step in the healing process and the process of letting go. So what are some of the emotional and physical impacts? This emotional struggle can have physical manifestations in the heart area, potentially affecting the cardiovascular system. A hardened heart can hinder the free flow of emotions and compassion. The individual may experience stress and emotional turmoil. So let's point to some holistic remedies that we can use to assist individuals with issues in the heart area in emotion zone 5, and things that can harmonize the heart chakra, which is also the element of air, so related to self-criticism and self-love. Let's start with diet and nutrition. Holistic nutrition: always include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to nourish your body and your energy centers. Now, green and pink foods are associated with the heart chakra, so be sure to incorporate a diet rich in leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and spinach. Pink foods include raspberries, pomegranate, pink grapefruit, dragon fruit, watermelon, beets, radishes, rainbow carrots, pink turnips, and pink potatoes. These foods resonate with the heart chakra and support emotional balance. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 rich foods like flax seeds, walnuts, and fish help maintain brain health and emotional stability. Omega-3s are essential for heart health and can help reduce inflammation, can lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. So what are some supplements and herbs that can balance emotion zone, the heart chakra, and assist with self-criticism versus self-love? Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10 for short, is involved in the production of cellular energy and has antioxidant properties. It may help improve heart function and reduce the side effects of certain cholesterol-lowering medications. Vitamin K2, which helps regulate calcium in the body and is essential for heart health. It ensures that calcium is deposited in the bones and teeth rather than in the arteries. Garlic, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. There's also turmeric. Curcumin, which is the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that may be beneficial for heart health. Ginger can help reduce blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsicum, which may help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. However, it is not recommended for individuals with low blood pressure. So you may want to take a very low dose if you're taking any if you already have low blood pressure. Hawthorn berry. This berry is renowned for its cardioprotective qualities, enhancing heart function and promoting healthy blood flow through vasodilation. It may reduce blood pressure, strengthen the heart muscle, as well as help maintain normal blood pressure and shield the heart from free radical damage with its antioxidants. Olive leaf extract. This extract contains compounds that can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which can improve cholesterol levels and also reduce the risk of heart disease. Herbal teas, such as chamomile and rosehip teas, have calming and soothing properties that can help promote self-love. All right, now let's explore some different homeopathic remedies. Again, these are general suggestions. Always be sure to consult with a qualified homeopathic practitioner for an accurate assessment and personalized remedy selection. Homeopathic remedies are selected based on an individual's specific symptoms, emotional state, and overall constitution. So we have lycopodium. This is a remedy that is often used for individuals who struggle with self-esteem and self-criticism. They may feel inferior and lack self-confidence. This remedy can help boost self-worth and promote self-love. Natrum muriaticum. This is a remedy that is indicated for individuals who suppress their emotions, leading to self-criticism and feelings of isolation. It can support emotional release and self-acceptance. Pulsatilla is a remedy that is suitable for those who are emotionally sensitive and may feel unloved or abandoned, leading to self-criticism. It can promote emotional balance and self-love. Ignatia amara. Ignatia is used for individuals who experience emotional ups and downs, leading to self-criticism. It can provide emotional support and self-compassion. Lachesis may be helpful for individuals who feel emotionally trapped and struggle with self-criticism. It can promote emotional healing and self-love. Aurum metallicum. Aurum is indicated for individuals who experience self-criticism due to feelings of failure or worthlessness. It can help restore self-worth and self-love. Staph aureus is a remedy that is suitable for individuals who suppress their anger and emotions that can lead to self-criticism. It can support emotional release as well as self-acceptance. Sepia is a homeopathic remedy that may be helpful for individuals who feel emotionally detached and self-critical. It can promote emotional connection and self-love. Cactus grandiflorus is used for individuals who experience emotional constriction and self-criticism. It can support emotional openness and self-compassion. Let's move on to some flower remedies. Gorse or Star of Bethlehem. If there are blockages in the heart chakra related to unresolved grief, a flower essence like Gorse or Star of Bethlehem could be chosen to address this emotional issue, thereby supporting the healing of the heart chakra. Crabapple is a remedy for individuals who have a strong sense of self-criticism related to physical appearance or cleanliness. It promotes self-acceptance and self-love by helping them let go of minor imperfections. Larch is a remedy that is suitable for those who lack self-confidence and often criticize themselves for not measuring up to others. It fosters a sense of self-worth and self-love. Pine is helpful for individuals who take on a burden of guilt and self-blame for their mistakes. It encourages self-forgiveness and self-love. Chicory is a remedy that is effective for those who seek love and validation from others and become controlling or possessive. It promotes self-love and self-sufficiency. Holly can be used for individuals who experience strong emotions like anger, hatred, or jealousy, which can hinder self-love. It helps promote love, compassion, and self-acceptance. Now, when choosing a flower remedy for emotional zone 5, which is associated with the heart chakra and the contrast between self-criticism and self-love, consider the specific emotional challenges relating to self-criticism and self-love in the heart area, and select a remedy that resonates with your or your client's emotional state, and follow the recommended dosage instructions for these remedies to nurture self-love and emotional well-being. Okay, so a few essential oils that we can suggest. One is rose. So diffusing rose essential oil promotes feelings of love and self-acceptance, and lavender oil, which helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and can support emotional balance. Some crystals and gemstones. So rose quartz, which is known as the stone of unconditional love. Rose quartz opens the heart to self-love and compassion. Green aventurine. This stone encourages emotional healing, releasing self-criticism, and embracing self-love. Okay, so some holistic practices that we can engage in on our own, typically with or without the help of another individual or the professional guidance or support. So mindfulness and meditation. Practice loving kindness meditation to cultivate self-love and compassion. So you would be focusing on your heart chakra and envisioning it radiating with love and healing energy in this meditation. Yoga and physical activities. These incorporate heart-opening poses like cobra, camel, and bridge to open the chest and promote emotional release. Engaging in cardiovascular aerobic activities like jogging or swimming, or doing aerobics classes and other exercises can boost endorphins and enhance emotional well-being. Positive affirmations. So repeating affirmations daily, such as I am worthy of love and self-acceptance, to shift your mindset towards self-love can be helpful. Art therapy and creative expression. Engage in art or creative activities as a form of self-expression and emotional release. Forest bathing. This is simply spending time in nature, especially in green environments, to connect with the heart chakra and foster self-love. Okay, so a few therapies and professional support that we can recommend to help with emotion zone 5, the heart chakra. So heart-centered therapies. Engage in therapies that focus on emotional healing and self-compassion, such as heart-centered hypnotherapy or inner child work. Holistic psychotherapy. Holistic psychotherapies are therapeutic approaches that use various techniques such as mindfulness, nutrition, and mind-body practices, such as what we are discussing here, to promote balance and healing across all aspects of an individual's life. And then there's also humanistic therapy. This is a wonderful therapy that centers on the belief that individuals have an innate capacity for self-discovery and personal growth. It emphasizes self-actualization, authenticity, and the exploration of one's thoughts and feelings. Explore self-criticism and self-love with a therapist or counselor who specializes in self-esteem and self-acceptance. And then there's also community and support, such as support groups. So join a support group or community that focuses on enhancing self-esteem and self-love to help connect with others on a similar journey. This kind of helps to remove the isolation of feeling shame or alone and self-criticizing ourselves for things that many other people can relate to. So in summary, Zone 5 emphasizes the delicate balance between self-criticism and self-love, which is intricately tied to our heart and emotional well-being. Recognizing the roots of self-criticism and embracing healthy grieving and forgiveness can pave the way for a more compassionate and emotionally fulfilling life. Remember that holistic healing is a personalized journey, and it's essential to choose the remedies and practices that resonate most with you, which also may vary throughout time. So combine these recommendations to create a holistic approach that supports your emotional and physical well-being in Zone 5, Heart Chakra, self-critical versus self-love. These recommendations can be tailored to your unique needs and circumstances, so consulting with a healthcare practitioner or holistic therapist is advisable for personalized guidance. So this concludes Module 5 and Episode 5 on the Emotion Zone 5 and Heart Chakra. Next, we will move into Emotion Zone 6 and the emotional and physical dynamics that relate to the thymus, which is also the heart chakra. So stay tuned for that, and we will look forward to seeing you in that module.